still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Morning.
So we are just on our way shopping. We're headed to Costco and Currys.
We love Costco and I love Currys, so I'm well happy. Emma's not convinced.
No, so we are filming this just before Christmas, like right before.
Yes.
And our TV, we were planning on having a movie day today, and our TV has started clicking and vibrating.
It doesn't sound right. Yeah, I think it's on the way out. If you hit it hard, it goes away. But I don't think that's right. I don't think you meant to hit a telly. So, yeah, I think we need to get a new one.
Yeah. So we're just headed to, we're going to go and look at them at Costco. When we were there, we saw that they had a lot of electronics and TVs and stuff. So we're going to look there first. And then we're going to head to Currys, weigh up our options, and hopefully get a new TV today, which is not the ideal time to be buying a TV.
I don't know. I'm quite excited about it.
John's excited, yeah.
Like Christmas to enjoy it.
Yeah.
We did say in the last Costco video that we was going to do it in the new year.
Yeah.
It just moved forward a bit.
Yeah, so it's nice to be like, we're like taking control. We're like, okay, well, it's going to be our decision rather than waiting until it breaks. Yeah, but that's where we're headed. We're headed to Costco first, so.
And maybe a Starbucks or Costa.
Yeah.
Because we need some sustenance at some point.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm excited. It's not a Christmassy thing to do just before Christmas, but it's going to be good to have a new telly to watch Christmas.
Yeah, we can't watch Christmas films if it's clicking.
Yeah.
To be honest, I can't hear it that bad all the time.
It doesn't do it all the time. Every so often it gets louder and you hit it, it goes away for a while.
Yeah.
So it's not right. And like you said, we had it for a while, so it's about time, I think.
Yeah. So Costco is just there, but we've been sat in traffic for like 10 minutes. It's just people trying to get in and people like pushing in.
Everyone wants the TV.
Everybody wants the Costco TV. No, I mean we are stupid for shopping today, but...
Yeah, but we couldn't have anything else really.
Yeah.
I didn't expect it to be as busy, but...
Everybody needs their bulk cookies
today,
I guess. It's not so
it's
bad.
Not too
it's just
bad. It's
there's not going to be
bad.
parking spaces either.
No, and I want to get some petrol as well because it's cheap here.
Yeah.
But that could be interesting.
It'll
but they
be
have just had a
fine.
delivery of petrol, so that's all right.
Oh, that's good, Dan.
Yeah, so
Sorted.
we got some. We just everyone else will want it.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. We've got a couple of hours. It's fine. Found one. I'll take this one. 98-inch. 3,200.
Will it fit in our house? Probably not.
It won't fit a car. That's amazing though.
Right, let's be serious now.
I am serious. That's awesome.
Costco and they had so many TVs.
They did, about 3 or 4 we were looking at, so we just compared options and we think we found one.
Yeah, so we were in and out in between, like the one we've got now is, well, we think it's 52 inches, but online it's 50, so I don't know.
We had it 10 years, so I don't know, but I measured it at 52. It's a plasma, it's really old, really chunky.
Like this big.
Yeah. And we just found a new brand to me. I never heard of them.
Yeah, we were looking at, don't tell us if it's bad, I don't want to know, but we were looking at a Hisense one, because it seems to do everything we want.
Yeah.
And some people are comparing it to an LG one that
C2,
John liked.
Yeah.
And it's a good price.
It's
here.
a very good picture. I'm really happy with the picture.
And a good price.
And a good price. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think there's no point going to Currys if we like it here.
Well, it's more. The one in Currys is more expensive by like the same TV is more expensive by like £200 and something.
Yeah, it just if they had other TVs that we'd like from Currys, we don't know, but if we're happy with that
we
one,
like that one,
then
so
we'll get that.
And they've got them in stock here, and Currys I think are struggling for stock on TVs.
Yes.
So we think we're gonna go and get it.
Why not? Let's do it. It's a present to ourselves. We're going to put 65, so it's bigger, way bigger than what we
Yeah,
got.
they've got the same one in 55, and we were like, oh, do we, don't we?
Yeah.
But we've got a really long living room, and I think 65 will keep us going for a couple of years. So.
And hopefully the bracket on our old TV will still fit this one.
Right, so we've been arguing about this for days because I'm like, oh, it'll fit. Because when we put our TV on the bracket, we must have bought the TV when we moved house then, or we were putting it back on the bracket.
Yeah.
I don't know. I remember buying the bracket, and I remember having to buy a new bracket because the TV was bigger.
Yeah.
But this was like 10 years ago.
Yeah.
And I'm adamant that it was like it can go from our TV upwards.
Hopefully.
So
I think we are not higher setting.
Yeah, so I've been saying it'll fit, it'll be fine, and John's been like, no, it won't. So we've been, well, we'll find out.
We'll find out. We had to come and sit in the car because there's no internet in the
Yeah,
shop
there's no internet. We were
why we sat in the car.
we were gonna sit and have a drink and like discuss and decide which one was best. But it was really busy in there, and you can't really hear yourself think. And also there was no internet.
No, it's mad because the phone says you've got 5G.
I don't think 5G is as good as they say it is.
We didn't get anything in the shop.
No,
So.
it's also really slow out here.
Yeah, it is.
So, but
Cool.
we've made
That's
a
the plan.
decision.
We have. Hopefully it'll fit in the bracket and we can put it up.
Hopefully it'll fit in the car.
I'll be fine, yeah. Cool.
And then that wasn't that long either. So.
No, what means we can get home, get on a wall, have a movie evening, afternoon, would be nice. Yeah, and then Christmas. We got it for Christmas, would be lovely. Cool, let's do it.
This is
This is the one we think. Are we sure?
Yeah.
We've just seen another one we didn't.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look, I mean, it does look good picture. Is this better than that one or that one better? The one we didn't consider?
I don't know.
Because there's 20 quid in it.
Okay, I think it's this one.
Do you?
You're coming home with me.
It's in my basket.
Yeah, alright. I hope it fits in John's car. It looks bigger flat. Now for the moment of truth.
All of a sudden, it looks very big.
Yeah. It's weird, it looks bigger flat
Yeah.
than it did stood up. John's banged his finger.
Just.
And
It's in.
getting it out's gonna be fun.
Yeah. Hopefully, the screen was in the box rather. You know what I mean? It's
Yeah, it won't
it's
just be
packaged.
randomly
Yeah.
in there, will it? But it's not very bent.
We didn't bend it. It just a bit.
We just
it was
tilted.
squeezed.
Yeah. But it's in there.
Yeah.
Now we can just hope that it makes it home.
We've got 5 years warranty on it.
I don't think that's how that works.
Fine.
Why is it broken? We shoved it in the car.
But Emma just said, apparently they got like a van hire.
Yeah,
for an
there's
hour.
one there. You can hire it for an hour.
So how many people have done that?
Yeah. There it is, our new best friend.
It's in.
I was just saying it's a good job we didn't get the 75-inch because I don't think we would have got it. Although maybe if we'd have tilted it, we
Well,
would
that
have.
was the worst telly anyway. Not worst telly, but you know what I mean. That one's better than the 75-inch.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Now we just have to get it home. There's the vans that they hire out.
Yeah, it's a good idea. I didn't realise that. It's a good idea.
Yeah.
One would have to drive yourself, and one would drive
I don't like driving John's car though, so maybe
the
I'd
van.
drive the van, yeah. Although a van seems a bit excessive for one TV, so.
But how many people have that problem?
Yeah.
Buy stuff in there. Because it doesn't look as big in a shop like that, 'cause it's massive.
No.
You know, like at home, obviously it's not as big as a shop, sort of warehouse. So it's going to look bigger.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we made the right decision. It was good, and we saved stuff £200 buying it from there.
$220.
Than Curry's.
Yeah.
What's good? Yeah.
Now John gets to put petrol in.
Yes, and it's good here. Was it 136?
Yeah.
What? It's cheaper than last time, I think it was.
Yeah, I think it was 139. There is a
Yeah.
queue for it though.
But we're alright for time.
We
so.
will queue.
So
Because we
you
didn't go
have
to
one.
Curry's.
Yeah.
I am hungry now though.
I'm a bit
So
hungry, yeah.
either we'll stop for lunch or we'll grab lunch when we get home.
Yes. Yes.
So just for comparison, that's our old one. So the TV bit is obviously the middle and then it's got quite a chunky frame. And then That's the new one. I'm hoping a lot of padding is in that box. Because there's no way that box is 65 inches. Is there? Just saying for comparison, that's our old one.
Yeah.
Which we thought that was 65 inches.
I don't think it was.
So maybe John's not good at measuring.
No. I think it'll be packaged. It's not that
It's
size.
got to be packaging.
It's not that size of the box. No way.
No, there's got to be a lot of packaging in
It's
there.
not size of that box.
Because we thought it'd be about the same, if not a little bit bigger.
Yeah, it's not the size of that box. No way.
But then that box
Unless they
is
gave us the wrong size and it's 75.
Well, it says 65 on it. But that looks a lot bigger.
Yeah. We'll find out.
Yeah. Do we want to watch one more thing on our TV? I think we'll watch something on TV, on our old TV, while we have some lunch. And then we'll tackle this bad boy.
Well, I reckon we need a new bracket.
I don't think so.
But look, how can we use the same bracket?
Because it's supposed to be the same size as that TV.
But it's not, is it? That's 52. I prove
Yeah, the screen bit is 52, you said.
Yeah, so it's not even big enough. I ain't got proper tape in there. So, hold it there.
Well, I can't show it and hold it.
Right.
There's our Christmas tree.
About 60 inches.
Okay. But then that's not just 5
That's not
inches
60
bigger.
No, yeah.
Oh dear.
No, I didn't. It's got to be like a package. It
Yeah.
has to be.
Right, but lunch first.
Yeah.
Excuse the mess.
Yeah, got to tidy it out.
But that's the new one.
It's up-ish. It's
Yeah.
up. So I had to get help from my dad to help me to lift it on there. So thanks for that. It's on preview on YouTube at the moment. That doesn't meet so we need to go out and get a new one then. But I'm unimpressed. Just on YouTube at the moment, so it's not perfect quality because it's on YouTube, but
Looks good.
yeah, it does look good.
John's made me go to B&Q twice in one day. I'm not happy about it.
Well, luckily the bracket what we had, like we were saying earlier, it fits. So yeah, that was good.
I was right about that.
You would. So we needed a new bolts. So we had to take it to B&Q for that, and now we need this new cable for Sky.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm well impressed with it. Yeah, get sorted, and then we can chill out and enjoy it.
Off I go again
Thanks for that.
on my journey. I wanted to just show you the remote's got a Netflix and a YouTube button. How fun is that?
Fancy.
Yeah, and we thought you might like to join us for the most fun part of the day. Ready?
Can she do it in one?
Nope, not with one hand. Oh, John's doing the sides. We've been watching it for a little bit with only partial view. Oh no. Yay. I mean, that's the only like frame bit it's got compared to what we had on our older one.
I know, it's mad. Isn't it?
Didn't even realise, but it's got a full
Full
Healy
screen
screen.
protector.
That's good because it definitely would have had my grubby fingerprints on it.
Ready? Oh, look at how satisfying is that?
I don't know if you can quite see on the
I
camera.
hope the bracket holds.
Oh, I don't like that sound.
No.
Pull it down. There you go. You can see it coming in the corner there. Imagine you're just peeling the screen off.
I know you are.
Oh, look. That sound I don't like.
I never had a telly like that come like that. Have you?
No, nobody tell us if we've peeled the screen off.
I don't think you have. It's a good button thing for it, isn't it? There you go.
Yay!
There you go.
Can you make more noise? Okay.
That was a long day considering.
Yeah, the telly's up. It's
Yeah.
working.
It's working, Sky's working, all your Netflix, YouTube, that sort of stuff's working. That's still making a noise.
So far, it's so good.
Yeah, I'm really impressed with it at the moment. Now we can just relax. It's what, 8 o'clock at night, so walk a
We've been
dog.
doing this all day.
Yeah, but we knew we wouldn't. Now tomorrow, Christmas Eve, we can like relax and enjoy it.
Yeah.
So we can have a bit of dinner now, and put a film on and enjoy it.
Yeah.
It took longer than I thought because we had a problem with back here. We had to go B&Q and get a few things. Like I said, the lead needed to go longer. All sorted now. But yeah, I'm unimpressed.
Well, thank you so much for watching. We're going to just chill now. We hope
Yeah.
you've enjoyed this and that you've had a lovely Christmas.
Absolutely, yeah.
If you have enjoyed this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.